When you think about the word Forex trading, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Is it maybe the big cars, the Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Ferrari? Is it maybe you trading from anywhere in the world, making millions of dollars every month? Or do you maybe think that all of this thing is a scam? Maybe Forex trading is a scam. Maybe it's some kind of pyramid scheme. Let me tell you the truth about Forex trading and the main misconceptions that people have about the game of Forex trading. So you've seen it anywhere online, you've seen people making thousands if not millions of dollars from trading, and you see these people posting all kinds of Lamborghinis and all these flashy cars online. And when you see that, it makes you want to have that lifestyle, because who doesn't want to be rich? Who doesn't want to have lots of money? And most importantly, who doesn't want to have the freedom to be able to do whatever you want and make money from anywhere in the world? The truth about that is it's absolutely possible in the game of Forex trading. When you learn the skill of trading, you have the potential to trade from anywhere and you can make a killing off of trading. The potential is sky high, and there's no limit to the amount of money that you can make when you day trade. But all of these gurus that you see online flashing all of their stuff, one thing they're never going to do is they're never going to show you the dark side of trading. Whenever you see them post their wins on story or on their Instagram posts, you'll never see the reality of things. Maybe they'll show you one win, but they won't show you the 10-20 losses that they had before that. When they flash their Lamborghinis and their Ferraris, they won't show you that they're all rented. It's very easy to fake a lifestyle nowadays. A lot of people on social media, they get brainwashed by what they see online. So the first misconception of trading is that trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. Let me clarify that. It takes years to become a profitable trader. A lot of people come into the game of trading with the hopes of making thousands of dollars right off the bat. And if you really think that that's what's gonna happen, you're in for a long ride. Except if you're taking signals from someone, and even that person, is someone trusted that it's very, very hard to consistently take profits from the market. Even if someone teaches you a certain technical analysis strategy, when you're trading real-time money, there's emotions that come through, and you have to make decisions on the go. The market moves so fast, and the money that's involved, it will test your psychology to the maximum. You might have a phase in the beginning where you're making money and you must think that it's really easy, I can make thousands in a day, and then suddenly you're gonna have that low phase where you start losing and you see the truth about trading. Every profitable trader that you see online is not actually a profitable trader. Those that are really profitable, it took them years to get to where they are, and they have a certain strategy and a way of trading which they learn over time and with experience. And the biggest traders, the most successful traders, you might not even see them online. There's some good people, good traders that go online and teach the true way of trading. I know a couple of them, but 80 to 90% of gurus out there are all scammers. They won't teach you the right way to trade because they don't know how to trade themselves. So just be careful out there from who you're learning from. Always focus on the results, the real value that is provided, and focus less on the materialistic things. Once you learn the skill, for sure you will be able to get all of those things. The second misconception that I saw about trading is that you need to have a lot of capital to start trading. And let me clarify that, to start trading. So you don't need a lot of capital to start trading. Especially nowadays, the brokers that give you access to a lot of leverage, and also the prop firms, they all allow you to start with a lower capital and still make profits off of trading. Will you make as much money on a $10,000 account as compared to $1 million account? No, obviously you won't. But if you don't have the skill in trading, then having more capital won't help you make more money. If you don't have the skill, then you're gonna lose on a $10,000 account or a $2 million account. It doesn't make any difference. Once you have the skill, even if you have less capital and your strategy has a higher win rate, you can use that leverage to risk maybe 5 or 10% per trade. But then again, that's a very risky move, and I wouldn't recommend that to a beginner. Only a very experienced trader can grow a small account from small to big in a short amount of time. But nonetheless, when you get into the trading game, you can't have that mindset of trying to make thousands and millions of dollars real quick. It's a long-term game. You have to look on a long-term scale, and by compounding your account on a daily basis, that's how your account grows over time. Obviously, prop firms have changed the game, and they allow you to compound your capital faster like I mentioned in my previous video, but nonetheless, you have to have a long-term vision and really compound your account over time. So the false perception that you need a big capital to start trading, you need to clear that mindset from your head if you're trying to start trading. Just focus on the skill and worry less about the capital and the returns. Once you have the skill, they will come automatically to you. The third misconception about trading is that trading is pure gambling. And I wanted to clear something about that. What in life is not a gamble? Let's say you go to your 9 to 5. Tomorrow you get fired from work. It's completely out of your control. Is that not a gamble? Let's say you get married and your partner leaves you after 5 years. Is marriage not a gamble? Let's say you have kids and they turn out to be what you didn't want them to be. Is having kids not a gamble? Obviously, I don't wish those things on you guys, but it's just to say that most things in life are a gamble. You have the safe side and you have the risky side of it. So when it comes to business and trading, you cannot get rich without taking risks. At some point in your life, you're gonna have to take that risk if you want to get to a higher level. You cannot play it safe all the time and try to become rich. So yes, in some way, trading is a gamble as compared to many other things in life. But once you have that strategy, that certain process, then it's a strategic gamble. You're risking your money in a strategic way. That's what you call risk management. Someone who owns a casino, let's take for example someone who owns a casino. Do you really think they're gonna open a casino just to lose money? You see many people walking out of a casino with profits, but at the end of the day, the casino operators have a certain plan in place where at the end the casino always wins. So it's the same thing in trading. If you have a certain plan, then even if you have a couple of losses, over time you'll always be profitable. You might have a bad day in trading, you might have an average week in trading, but if you look at it on a longer term scale, on a monthly scale, on a quarterly scale, if you have that skill and you have that strategy, you will be profitable. So those were the 3 misconceptions that I heard the most about trading, and the truth is that you can really get rich off of this game. You really have the potential to make a shitload of money, but don't fall for those traps and focus on the skill rather than focusing on the materialistic stuff. Once you have that skill, everything will come to you by itself, but the most important part is just to focus on learning, focus on getting better every day. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.